Data modernization is here to stay, and DataSwitch and MongoDB are leading the way forward. Built for the cloud era, MongoDB is a document-based and distributed database. The document database stores data in JSON-like documents and is built on a scale-out architecture. DataSwitch's DS Migrate is an automated data modernization toolkit, which migrates data schema, data, and process from legacy databases and ETL tools to MongoDB. Schema Redesign provides intuitive, predictive, and self-serviceable automated schema redesign from old-school data model to MongoDB data model. Data migration tools help to fully automate and scale data migration and transformation to MongoDB based on redesigned schema. The process converter implements no-touch code conversion from legacy data scripts and ETL tools to MongoDB scripts and APIs. After having designed a data pipeline that can be deployed into the MongoDB system, the process converter allows you to incrementally add data based on the new schema. Let's take a deep dive into how the process converter works. Sign into your DataSwitch account. In the DataSwitch console, select Process Converter. The Process Converter is also a self-serviceable tool integrated with the DS Migrate toolkit. Select Add Group to create a new project. Initially, you start by selecting the source database and the corresponding script type, and do the same for the target technology code, where the target database is MongoDB. Once you set the group name, your project has been created. Inside the project, you can upload the MySQL script in bulk and convert into MongoDB scripts. The process converter understands the traditional code and translates it into MongoDB code. The comparison of the input MySQL code and the output MongoDB code is displayed for your verification. The differences are also highlighted with color codes. Data engineers will simply have to download the generated MongoDB code and integrate it with the new platform and schedule the pipeline for consistent and regular data increments.